In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube not working on Chrome Windows 10. If videos won't load, you're seeing a spinning wheel or black screen, or playback keeps stuttering, follow along and we'll get Chrome back in shape. Start with the simplest fixes. First, refresh the page. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button in Chrome. This forces YouTube to reload and often clears minor hiccups. If that doesn't help, close all Chrome windows, then restart your computer. A fresh start clears stuck processes and frees memory that video playback depends on. Next, check your internet connection. YouTube needs a stable, reasonably fast connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or pausing large downloads. If other sites are slow too, your connection might be the bottleneck. Once you've confirmed your connection is solid, update Chrome. Click the menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them automatically. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with modern video players. If YouTube still isn't cooperating, move on to browser-specific fixes. Clear your cache and cookies. Open the menu, choose More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time, and check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Data. This removes outdated files and site data that can break how YouTube loads. Be aware it may sign you out of some sites, so you might need to log in again. Extensions are another common culprit. Go to Menu, Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Turn off all extensions. Test YouTube now. If it works, an extension is interfering. Re-enable them one by one, testing as you go to find the problematic one. A quick clue. If YouTube works fine in an incognito window, it's very likely an extension causing the issue. If the problem persists, try disabling hardware acceleration. Open Menu, Settings, then System. Turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and relaunch Chrome when prompted. This setting offloads graphics work to your GPU, but on some systems it can cause video glitches or crashes. As a last resort, reset Chrome settings. Go to Menu, Settings, then Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This resets your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs, and disables extensions, but it doesn't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords. After the reset, test YouTube again. Follow these steps in order, and you should see YouTube running smoothly on Chrome in Windows 10. Thanks for watching and good luck getting back to your videos.